Hi, welcome back to ASA Technical. In today's video, I will show you how to safely upgrade your Windows 10 PC or laptop to Windows 11 using command prompt. The official and safe way. Before we start, make sure your PC meets Windows 11's hardware requirements like TPM 2.0 and secure boot. Open CMD and run as administrator. Now type system info. You can also download Microsoft's official PC Health Check app. I have linked it in the description. It's from Microsoft's official website. Before upgrading, backup your important data using OneDrive, file history, or an external drive. First, go to the official Microsoft download page. Scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Then select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Next, choose your language. After that, click 64-bit download. Now, save the ISO file to your PC. Do not download ISO from third-party or unofficial websites. Only Microsoft site ensures safety and compliance. After downloading, mount the ISO file as a virtual DVD drive. Windows will assign it a new drive later. For example, G, E or F. Press Windows plus S. Type CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator. We will run all commands as administrator, so Windows can make system level changes safely. Now type this command. Your virtual DVD letter /setup.exe /auto upgrade /compact /migrate drivers all /dynamic update enable. I will be kept dynamic update disable for temporary because currently I am using metered internet connection. Now let me explain all the parameters. Setup.exe launches the Windows 11 setup from your mounted ISO. Auto upgrade performs an in-place upgrade keeping apps, files and settings. It official and safe. Compact enables compact OS. Saves disk space by compressing system files. Used in Windows deployment scenarios. It's supported by Microsoft. Migrate drivers all. Ensures all compatible existing drivers are migrated to the new OS. It is safe, part of setup. Dynamic update disable. It skips online download of new setup or driver updates during the upgrade. It is optional and documented. Now press enter to run this command. The setup wizard will check your hardware compatibility, TPM, secure boot, etc. Copy installation files. Download updates if needed. Install Windows 11. Restart automatically several times. Keep patience. Don't run off your PC during this process. Once you are in Windows 11, connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and check for updates. Also open the command prompt as admin and run these system updates commands. Type WAUCLT / detect now and press enter. Next type WAUCLT / update now and press enter. Next, check activation status by typing slmgr /xpr and hit enter. And that's it. You have successfully upgraded to Windows 11 using command prompt. If this video helped you, then please leave a like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials and comment below if you ran into any issues. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.